Okay, today we are going to learn about gradient of a straight line. Now, the equation of a straight line is in the form of y equals mx plus c. We all know that, right? For example, y equals 2x plus 3 or y equals 2x minus 3. They are all in form of y equals mx plus c, where m and c are constant. What happens to the line if we change the value of m and c? Let's skip this part now. Gradient of a straight line. Look at the roads around you. Some roads are steeper than others. The steeper a road is, the harder it is to walk up the road. Yeah, of course. So if it's not that steep, for example like that, you can still walk up. But the steeper it is, for example like this, then it is very hard to walk up, right? Because it's too steep already, like this. Okay. So gradient is a measure of how steep a slope is. Yeah, generally, if the gradient is small, that means it's not that steep. For example, like this maybe. But if it's like this, very steep, then the gradient will be very large in number. So the equation of a straight line is in the form of y equals mx plus c, where the constant m is the gradient of the line and the constant c is the y-intercept. What is y-intercept? Refers to the y-coordinate of point of intersection of the line in y-axis. Let me show you. Okay. Okay, let's discuss this first. So from this investigation, we have discovered that the gradient of a line can be either positive or negative. Okay, if the slope upwards from left to right, that means the gradient is positive. If it slopes downwards, then it is negative. Yeah, the gradient. Yeah. Okay, and the steeper it is, the gradient is greater. Okay, just like that. In real life, can gradient of a slope be negative? Yeah. From the investigation, we can also see that as the absolute value of the gradient m increases, the steepness of the line increases. Yeah, this is what I told you from just now. So the steeper it is, the gradient is greater. Yeah, increase. For example, a line with gradient of 3. Yeah, for example, if a line the gradient is 3, that will be steeper than a line with a gradient of 2, since 3 is more than 2. But a line with a gradient of negative 3 is also steeper than a line with a gradient of negative 2. Yeah, so in this case, negative 3, the gradient with negative 3 is still greater than negative 2, even though negative 3 is actually smaller than negative 2, right? But what we look at here is just the value, the number. 3, yeah, is greater than 2. The negative is just a sign that it's going downward, just like that. The negative sign does not have anything to do with the value. Now, the question is, how do we determine this? Like, how do we know that the gradient of a line is 3 or is 2, right? So how do we find the gradient of the line? Gradient of straight line is measure of the ratio of the vertical change or rise to the horizontal change or run. Vertical change over horizontal change. Or shorten it. In shorthand, it is rise over run. Take example of this. Find the gradient of each of the following lines. Remember, rise over run. This is the rise. This is the line, right? Okay. This is the line we want to find the gradient. So rise over run. So what is rise? Rise is the vertical change. Run is the horizontal change. So from here, I noticed that in this line we have we can see that there is point 0.1 here, the coordinate 0.1. We also have 1.3 here, right? So from here to here, I go to the right side once, that means the run is 1, and the rise or the vertical change is 2. So there will be 2 over 1, just 2. So the gradient is 2. I can also take it from here to here. So I'll go 3 times for the run, and for the rise I'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 over 3, still 2. Okay, so whatever point or coordinate you pick from here, it doesn't matter. The answer of the gradient will be the same. See, okay, this one, while they pick different coordinates from what I picked just now, yeah, they pick, yes, they start from here and they take this coordinate here. So go 2 times and then rise 4 times. So vertical change 4, horizontal change or run 2. Still forward to still 2, right? Still. Yeah, again, you can take it from here to here, or from here to here, or from here to here, from here to here. It's up to you. The answer will always be the same. Now, what about this one? Let's see. I'm gonna take it from here to just here. So going to the left side 2, rise also 6 times. So 6 over 6. Okay, run is 2, rise is 6. So 6 over 2, 3. 3, yeah? But it's negative 3. Not just 3. Why? Because it's going downward. Remember just now? When it slopes downwards, it is a negative gradient. So we have 3 from 6 over 2, and then we put the negative sign, so it should be negative 3. Let's see, let's look at the answer. Yes, negative 3. Very nice. They take the same coordinates with me. So if I want to take it from here to here, is also I also can do it. Let's try from here to here, yeah, to this 1.3, yeah. So run is 1, rise is 3, so 3 over 1, 6, 3 over 1, 3. Still the same, and also negative because downwards. Yeah, just like that. Easy, right? So that's it for gradient of straight line. I hope you understand.